command, radar confirms massive swarm inbound. Range closing fast. Fingers on the carrier deck! This is a $40 billion floating fortress, the pride of the U.S. Navy.
Protected by the most advanced radar and defense systems on Earth.
It never travels alone. It is guarded by an entire strike group of destroyers.
To the world, it seems untouchable. A true titan of the sea. But what if I told you, this $40 billion giant has a fatal weakness? A weakness that costs less than a used car.
Meet the $2,000 threat. Small, cheap, and deadly.
Built from commercial parts, GPS chips, and basic explosives. They don't need to be perfect. They just need to be numerous. Launched from hidden trucks or small boats, they are almost impossible to track. With the push of a button, a swarm is unleashed. One missile might cost $2,000. But what happens when you fire 100?
This is the swarm tactic, overwhelming the enemy with numbers.
Flying dangerously low to avoid radar detection.
A $200,000 swarm, heading for a $40 billion prize.
On the carrier, the crew is unaware of the incoming storm.
Until the radar finally picks them up.
Too close!
Too many!
The Phalanx fires 4,500 rounds per minute. A wall of lead.
It shreds the first wave of incoming threats effortlessly.
Escort ships fire multi-million-dollar interceptor missiles.
But here is the brutal mouth of modern war. You are firing a $2 million missile to destroy a $2,000 drone.
Eventually, the magazines run empty. The defense grid is overwhelmed. It only takes one or two to slip through.
And when they do, the damage is catastrophic.
Impact.
A $2,000 piece of flying scrap metal.
Has crippled a $40 billion Titan.
The ship doesn't sink, but the flight deck is destroyed. Keep spraying, don't let it spread to the bow.
A mission kill. The carrier is out of the fight.
The rules of naval warfare have changed forever.
To counter this, navies are developing new technologies.
High-energy lasers cost only a few dollars per shot. And microwave weapons to fry the electronics of the swarm.
But until these defenses are perfected, the threat remains.
The aircraft carrier is still the ultimate symbol of power. But David no longer needs a sling to fight Goliath. He just needs a drone.
In modern warfare, bigger isn't always better. The future is terrifyingly cheap. We will continue to monitor the situation from here. Reporting live, back to you. Who do you think wins? The giant ship or the swarm? Let us know below and subscribe. Thank you for joining us on the deck of the aircraft carrier.